Good morning, candidates. Welcome to Bicycular Incorporated. This is a TESDA accredited training center. How are you today?
Are good.
May I request everyone to stand for a prayer? Let us put ourselves in the presence of God. Amen. Please sit down. My name is Peter John D. Lombay. I am an accredited competency assessor for organic agriculture in situ production. This is my ID. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Mrs. Pedro, the Assessment Center Manager, and Ms. Pelonia, our representative from TESDA Provincial Office. You don't have to worry for their presence. They are here to oversee the conduct of competency assessment and to check if the conduct of assessment is in accordance with the prescribed competency assessment methodology and procedures. They will not assess you. Now let me check your attendance. Please present to me your admission slips once your name is called and sign this attendance sheet. Thank you. Now I have here with your accomplished self-assessment guide. As I scanned it, everything was yes, which means that you know and you can perform all the competencies enumerated in this qualification. At the end of this assessment, you will receive CARS, or the Competency Assessment Result Summary, either competent or not yet competent. If you receive competent, it means that you met the standards of this qualification. You can claim your national certificate after 5 days from the assessment. Bring with you one piece passport size picture with white background with color attire. Then you will pay 50 pesos. And don't forget the TESDA rules. You are not allowed to enter their office if you are not wearing formal attire, wearing short pants, sleeveless, and slippers. The validity of the certificate is 5 years. Otherwise, if you receive not yet competent, it means you didn't able to meet the standards of this qualification. But don't you worry, you can apply for reassessment anytime at your convenience. In case you are not satisfied with the results, you have the right to appeal and you can submit your appeal to the TESDA Provincial Office, where the assessment center and the assessors are accredited. With regards to the result of the assessment, we observe strictly confidentiality. This is to ensure the integrity of the assessment as well as my credibility as your assessor. Do you have any questions?
There's no man. Sir.
Now today, I am going to administer competency assessment for organic agriculture production NC2, where there are 3 competencies, namely basic, common, and core competencies. For our core competencies, we have raise organic chicken, produce organic vegetables, produce organic fertilizer, produce organic concoctions, and extract. I will collect evidences through demonstration and oral questioning in order to help me to determine your knowledge and skills for organic agriculture production in situ. We have 4 hours for our assessment. Let me ask first, why are you here? What is the purpose of taking this assessment? Probably some of you here are waiting for a promotion or a compliance for your job, or maybe for ranking purposes. However, the most important purpose is that determine your level of competence in this qualification. Am I right?
Yes.
For your personal needs, the laboratory is located at the hallway, and you can take your meal or snacks located near the lobby. As for the do's and don'ts inside the assessment center, please follow the rules and the procedures. You are not allowed to leave the premises, especially during the assessment. Eating inside is not allowed. Wearing jewelry also is not allowed. If you have any questions, clarifications, and difficulty, feel free to ask me. But once the assessment has started, please refrain from asking questions for it is no longer allowed. Also, please observe safety as you perform different tasks. If your accidents occur, call my attention immediately so we can provide you the first aid. The first aid cabinet is located at the right side of the assessment center, so feel free to use when needed. Do you have any questions? If none, I will now distribute the competency assessment agreement sheets. Please read the instructions carefully and answer all the questions outlined in that document. If you need assistance, I will be more than willing to assist you. Okay, let's start. I'll give you now your assessed numbers. You will be candidate number 1 in group 1, Miss Laneta, and you are the number 2, Miss Papan. I have to explain first the specific instruction that you will demonstrate the 4 core competencies. Okay, I'm sure everybody is ready for the assessment. Are you now ready?
Yes.
Material tools, equipment, and ingredients are already prepared. And don't forget that the ingredients are just enough for your candidates. Be sure that you get the exact amount just for you because it was already budgeted. Just relax and be calm. So you may now start. Now you're given 4 hours to finish. Okay, 10 minutes left. Time is up. Candidate number 1, how are you feeling right now? Are you now ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
You must have the 3 correct answers out of 5 questions. What is the main purpose why we need to label package conviction?
The main purpose why we need to label package conduction is to ensure and determine the date when we extract the concoction.
Okay. With second question, why we need to determine the date of production and the date of harvest in our products.
We need to emphasize the date of production and the date of harvest in order to determine the number of days when we use the fermented concoction and according to enterprise practices.
Thank you very much. Okay, candidate number 2, how was your feeling right now? Do you feel nervous?
Yes.
You must have 3 correct answers out of 5 questions. What is the main purpose why we need to label packages conviction?
The main purpose why we need to label package concoctions is to ensure and to determine the date when we extracted the concoction. Likewise, to determine what type of concoction it is.
Okay, second question, why we need to determine the date of production and the date of harvest in our products?
We need to emphasize the date of production and the date of harvest in order to determine the number of days when to use the fermented concoctions according to enterprise practices.
Okay, thank you. First of all, I'd like to offer my congratulations for a job well done in the assessment. You were able to prepare and present the product successfully, even if you are tense at the middle part, but you're still able to manage and answer the oral examination. You were able to answer the questions correctly. However, you have still need to improve the application of carbonized rice hull in your organic fertilizer to provide soil balance in your organic vegetable. Based on the evidences that I've gathered, I find you're competent. Congratulations, candidate number 1. Please sign this rating sheet and cards. You can get your national certificates after 5 days at the TESDA provincial office. The processing fee is 50 pesos and bring 1 passport size picture with white background and color attire, okay?
Yes.
Okay, for the candidate number 2, how are you today? Nervous? Don't be. Nervous?
Yes.
Don't be nervous. First of all, I would like to say congratulations. You were able to finish the whole assessment period, even if you're not in good condition. You were able to present. However, I want to point out that during the demonstration, you were not able to follow the measurement as to how much millimeter of molasses you use. Since it is so critical, it can affect the product. Through the oral questioning, you were not able to answer correctly to the first to third question. Nevertheless, you remain calm and cool-headed despite that you are not in good condition. And so, based on the evidences that I have gathered, I find you not yet competent. I am so sorry. You were not able to meet the standards of this qualification. But don't worry. You can still have yourself reassessed again at your convenience. All you have to do is to fill out again the application form and attach 3 pieces, passport size picture and assessment fee. For the COC3 and CO4, you can claim your certificate or file it in the TISDA provincial office. Okay, do you have any question? And please sign the written sheet and card. Okay, thank you. Let's call it a day. I'm done with the assessment. I will now sign the attendance sheet, cards, or the competency assessment result summary, and the registry of workers assessed and certified. I will give this to the TESDA representative. Ma'am, sir, here is the result of the assessment. Thank you.